Did you know companies with strong HR teams are 33% more profitable than those without? That's a significant impact. HR isn't just about hiring and firing, it's the backbone of every successful organization. Curious about what HR is, why it's so essential, and how it shapes businesses? Stick around, because we're about to break it down in a way that will change how you see the workplace forever. So, what's HR all about? Human resources is the lifeblood pumping through every organization, connecting people to the mission. It's not just about hiring forms. HR spots talent like a scout, picking MVPs and boosts them with training and support. It keeps everyone firing on all cylinders, dishing out pep talks or bonuses to spark peak performance. And that workplace vibe? HR shapes it with smart policies like flex schedules, turning a job into a place you actually like. Without HR, chaos creeps in. Think botched onboarding or payroll mix-ups, and things unravel fast. Why does HR hold it all together? Every company leans on it, from corner startups to global players. It hunts down the best hires, sifting resumes to match skills with roles, like casting a hit film. HR keeps skills sharp too, rolling out coding classes or leadership workshops to stay ahead. It builds a culture where teamwork and fairness thrive. Think diverse hires or cozy break rooms. And when disputes pop up or laws tighten, HR steps in, sorting conflicts and keeping pay legit. Who's behind HR? It's a full squad, not a lone ranger. Managers plot the course, juggling hiring targets and employee plans. Recruiters chase talent, hitting job fairs or scrolling LinkedIn for gold. Trainers lift skills, guiding newbies through day one or vets to the next level. Analysts crunch numbers, think turnover stats to fine-tune the system. Relations pros smooth rifts, while benefits folks craft perks like health plans. HR's evolving fast. 2025's a whole new beast. AI's speeding hires, scanning resumes to cut bias and nail fits in seconds. Remote work's booming, so HR's rigging virtual check-ins to keep teams tight. Data's king now. Analytics reveal who's rocking it or slipping. No hunches needed. Well-being's front and center with stress-busting apps or downtime rules to keep folks whole. And inclusion? It's a must. Blind hiring and mixed teams level the field. Why pick HR? It's steady. Every industry, from tech to tacos, needs it bad. The pay's solid too. Start decent, grow big with experience. You can play anywhere, healthcare, fashion, whatever lights you up. Best part? You'll shape lives, building cultures and careers people love. It's alive with new tech and trends, so you're always learning, always moving. Now you know why HR matters, how it's evolving, and why it's a career worth considering. Thinking about HR? Drop a comment below. And if you found this useful, like this video, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.